Hey guys, this is Fundom on Wanchopagama. Tonight on Imbewu, we finally reveals Kulego has a video from the night of the accident where Zetulele kill Slindile and Makosazana get up to make a coffee. Makosazana discovered the recording while Shira tries to kick Mira out, but Mira does not want to leave before her mother wake up. And it seems like Shira and Tando are working together to reveal that Mira is the one who wants to kick Shira and her mother on the house. Can you tell her father that the war are coming back on Bumbul after he see Mzwandile with the gun and tell her that he does not know her. And it seems like Kanyo thinks that Mzwandile wants a revenge. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.